Answer to question 14. So let us have the question. The first three times of an arithmetic sequence are 3, 8, and 13. Which of the following is true, or which of the following are true? We have option A, we have B, we have C. A, the 10th time of a sequence is 53. So let us try to ascertain it. Firstly, let us list whatever you have. We have time 1, which is T1, equal to 3. And time 2, which is T2, equal to 8. And time 3, which is T3, equal to 13. So we have been told that is arithmetic sequence. So which means we need a common difference. Common difference. So which donated by D. So in order to know, the common difference is going to be T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. That is how to identify a arithmetic sequence or an arithmetic sequence. Now, since we know that there is an arithmetic sequence, so let us determine our common difference now, which is D. So let's say 8 minus 3, and D is going to give us 5. So our common difference is 5 now. So we can now ascertain whether the 10th time is going to be 53 or not. Remember that the general formula for n time is equal to Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now we need T10 is going to be A. A is given as the T1, which is the first number given in any sequence. So we have A to be equal to 3 plus n. We are looking for 10th time, which is going to be 10 minus 1 into D. What is the common difference? Which is 5. So we are going to have 3 plus 9 into 5. That is 10 minus 1 is 9. We are going to have 3 plus 45. And so when you evaluate this one, we can say T10 is equal to 48. Do we have 48 from the answer? No. So this is incorrect, because our T10 is supposed to be 48. So let us go to B now. State that there are 4 prime numbers in the first 8th time of sequence. So let us list from T1 to T8. So let's try it. Our T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8. So T1 is 3. Don't forget that the common difference is 5. T2 is going to be 8. And the T3 is going to be 13. T4 is going to be 18. T5 is going to be 23. And T6 is going to be 28. T7 is going to be 33. And the T8 is going to be 38. Let me explain it again. Our T1 is 3. So we must add 5 to 3 to get 8, because our common difference is 5. So to get T3 is 8 plus 5, 13 plus 5, and so on up to T8. That is why we have 38 now. So, but we need a prime number now. So what is the definition of prime number? Prime number are prime numbers are the number that can only be divisible by 1 and itself. Any number that can be divisible by 1 and itself. So let us now go back to our sequence now. So this is going to give us prime number. Eight cannot be a prime number because 2 can go there, 1 can go there, and the 8 as well. So 13 is also prime number. 18 cannot be. 23 is also prime number. 28 cannot be a prime number. 33 cannot be a prime number, and the 38 can never be a prime number. So therefore, when we check very well now, we have three prime numbers. So let us now go back to the question and check what we have there. There are four prime numbers in the first 8 times of the sequence. Let us read the question very well. There are 4 prime numbers in the first 8 times of the sequence. Remember, we got 3, which is 3, 13, and 23. So we can now conclude that this is the incorrect statement as well. Incorrect. Now we are only left with C now. So the first time that we exceed 148 is the 31st time. So let us calculate it. So we are dealing with C now. So firstly, we need to ascertain maybe the first time will be more than what you are given. So we are going to try the 38th time. So that is, let us write it, which is we are going to try the T30. We are going to try T31, and we are going to try T32. So we want to know if this one will be the first one or not. If this one will be the first or not, or if this one will be the first or not. So let us try it. T30 is going to give us A plus N minus 1 into D. That's the general formula. Yeah, that's the general formula. So you can just say this one is Tn instead of T30. Immediately we put 30 here, 30 must also be here. So automatically T30 is going to be, what is our A? Our A is 3 plus N is 30 now, minus 1, D is 5. We are having 3 plus 29 into 5. So when we multiply this one out, we are going to get 3 plus 145. Automatically, this is 148. So let us try T31 now, which is going to give us A plus N minus 1 into D. That's the general formula. Don't forget to put N here. Sorry for that. N is supposed to be here. So automatically T31 is equal to, what is the A? 3 plus N is 31 minus 1 into D, which is 5. So this is going to give us 3 plus 30 multiplied by 5. So this is 3 plus 150. So this is a 153. So we can also try T32, but you don't need to bother ourselves. We don't need to bother ourselves. But let us bother ourselves and see what you are going to get as well. In that case, we can see that T32 is the same thing as T31 plus 5 because the common difference. So which is going to be 153 plus 5, which is going to be 158. So we can see we have 158, 153, 148. Let us go back to the question. The question states that the first time that we exceed 148 is the 31st. So which means this one is correct. So we only have option C, which is correct from the question. You go back to our answer, only C is the answer. The answer for question 14 is only C.